I am Govind Dusad, Director of Sudha Ventilating Systems Private Limited. Welcome to TLC Expo. We are in the field of industrial ventilation and daylighting. So basically, this covers wind-driven ventilators, powered ventilators, daylighting systems. Again, there are two different type of daylighting systems. One that can get direct the sunlight from top of the roof to bottom of the roof, or get it down below false ceilings also, which is something different. We've got a vast customer list which covers every major customer in India, along with acceptance from the major architects, consultants. So, what they like about us is really that we provide dependable solutions. We design our own innovative products, and the performance is reliable, something which they can depend on.